Good morning. I've had a few people ask for a walkthrough video of my trailer. So this is 2014 Forest River Salem Cruise Lite. It's a 281 QBXL. This trailer does have an electric jack up front, one battery terminal. It does have some pass-through storage. The outside of the pass-through storage looks small, however it does open up to a pretty large area. This trailer comes with that, I believe that's a 30-foot extension cable for your 30 amp, as well as 2 spare leaf springs and some 50 to 30 amp. You have over there's also a 30 to 120 volt adapter. There are lights on both sides. Does have a pretty large awning on it. Nice outside. There are some minor paint chipping on the stickers, but very minor. Has kept up really well. You do have an outdoor TV mount here. The TV's inside. I'll show you that in a minute. You do have 2 outdoor speakers as well. Here's your outdoor kitchen with a nice refrigerator. This refrigerator cools off very fast. The outdoor sink does work very well. Some storage, as well as nice lighting. This trailer does come with 2 outdoor grills. You have a Coleman butane stove here. You also have a fold-out propane grill. I forgot to mention all 4 tires are very new. They have about 6,000 miles at the most on them. The tread is very good. I also have 3 spare tires that will go with it if you would like. The spare tires are the ones that I received from the previous owner. Here is your hot water heater, your cable and satellite outputs or inputs, your freshwater fill, your city water connection. You do have a 30 amp extendable cable. I do have mentioned in my ad there is a outside dent from a tire blowout. It's very minimal. It's you can definitely see it up close, but it is difficult to even see from a distance. You have your black and gray water flush. Your slide, I believe it's about 9 feet long. There again, some small paint chip missing, but otherwise the paint and stickers are in good shape. You do have 2 propane tanks up front. You do have also your gutter with your gutter spouts that hang off the side. This outdoor kitchen is very nice with this full door on the top. You can be out here cooking in the rain and not worry about getting wet. Do have a screen door. This trailer does come equipped with the stabilizer jacks. This front, the motor, we got it taken off somewhere in Colorado, but they still do pretty good with just some support blocks underneath it. The rear ones work great still. so they are electric. So that comes in handy, not having to crank those up and down. Alright, as we move on the inside, we do have custom window boxes in here as well as in the dining. We did that because we did not like the print of the old ones. A brand new short queen size mattress, full closets on either side of the bed with a nice full mirror, nice shelf up top. Throughout the trailer I have installed new LED lighting. You can do 1, off, or 2. There are still some of the original older lighting. You have your pocket doors. Here's your indoor TV and your custom framed in radio. It does have GPS, Bluetooth, navigation, radio. You can download apps to sync up with your phone, or just use it as a radio. You can control the indoor and outdoor speakers with it. Here you have a sofa. It is a jackknife sofa. It's easy. You just one-handed pull up and pull out. There's your TV for the outdoor with the mount on the back of it to put this in. A little difficult with the TV back there, but just folds in like that. Do have custom cushions, custom cushion upholstery on the dinette table. All the rails have been redone with new fabric. Here are the window boxes in the dinette area and over the couch to tie in with the dinette furniture. This dinette table does fold down into a bed. Slept 2 teenagers pretty well. You do have some storage underneath this side. Moving on to the kitchen. Nice little backsplash area. You have your sink, your microwave oven, works great. Your range hood, light and fan, storage area above, your 3-burner propane stove, and your propane oven. Have some storage area above the dinette table. Your Dometic AC thermostat, furnace, fan controller. You can high, low, auto, off. Here is your AC. You can open the vents for just air blowing through here, or you can close it for the air going through the ducts. You do have several ducts throughout the trailer. And one back there. Here's your bathroom. You have a tub with a stand-up shower. Vanity mirror. Do have some storage over here. Storage below. toilet, your foot flush. Here is your refrigerator and freezer. It is gas and electric. You can choose to go in auto mode, which will detect the easiest way for the refrigerator and freezer to go on, or you can do it just regular gas. Refrigerator. Now there is, as mentioned, some damage around the refrigerator. The previous owner had defrosted it and did not put a catch drain, so the water kind of came out the bottom. I'm actually looking at trying to replace that, but in order to get it done with the original material, you have to take it to a Forest River dealer. So I'm looking to try to match it pretty well with something else. As I said, all the rails have been refinished. And here you have your bunkhouse, your top bunk over here. This obviously goes out to the outdoor kitchen. You have your ladder that just picks up and folds out for easy access to that top bunk. You have two bunks over on this side. Circuit breaker down there. Nice full-size wardrobe with 4 drawers on the bottom. Again, this has AC vents and some lights for each bunk. This bunk does have just a regular push light. We have a shoe carrier here. If you don't want that, you don't have to have it. That's pretty much all that I have to show you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am in no way a professional videographer or a professional RV dealer, so hopefully it was enjoyable. Again, this trailer could be yours for the price of $12,500, or make me an offer and we will try to work something out. But it is definitely ready for quite an adventure. Again, I've taken it out to Colorado, Arizona, Missouri, South Carolina, Florida. It's done well for us. One last walkthrough. All the lights work great. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, the weight of this trailer is fully loaded. It can go up to 7649, but the weight of this trailer is, I believe, 5,400 or 5,600 pounds. Alright, well, have a wonderful day, and I hope to hear from you soon. If you would like to come check out my trailer, you can email me on RV Trader. Enjoy the adventure.